Hi, here I am going with my project. This is our Arduino binary clock project. In this one, we use 13 LEDs and 13 resistors of 220 ohm, and we synchronize it with our laptop time. Now our laptop time is 10:27. Here, these are the units of minutes, tens of minutes, units of hours, tens of hours, and here it works according with the binary system. And this one is 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, and our laptop time is 10:27. Means here it is glowing, only one LED is glowing, means 01. 01 means 1 multiplied with the 10 equal to 10 means 10 o'clock. Here it is 010 means 2. Here it is 0111 means 7. The time is 10:27, right? And it changes when our laptop time changes from when after 60 seconds. Now it's 57, 58, 59, 60. Now low, right? It works accordingly like this. Okay, thank you.